Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the news feed on your Android lock screen. Some Android phones, especially from brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Realme, display news articles, social media feeds, notifications, or content when you wake your phone, which can be distracting. To disable it, start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. Next, go to Lock Screen, Wallpaper and Style, or Notifications, depending on your device. Look for an option like Lock Screen Services. Tap on it, then toggle off the apps you don't want to show news feeds from. Also look for any newspaper carousel option in your settings and toggle it off if there is any. Once done, your lock screen will only show the time, date, and notifications you choose. No more random news stories and pointless notifications. And that's how you turn off the news feed and unnecessary notifications on your Android lock screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.